Coron, our 5th stop on our 40-day tour through the Philippines. But if we're being honest, we only came here because it was the starting point for our 4-day, 3-night cruise with Big Dreamboat Tour. With that said though, we had a couple days to explore before that tour was to set off, and we decided to check out what day tours were available. We decided to do Shipwreck and Reef Tour and added on Barracuda Lake. Let's find out what a day trip out of Coron is all about.
We made it to Coron Island and we're about to do a day trip. It's called the Reef and Wreckage Tour with Barracuda Lake added on because that's what Alejandro wanted. So we had to wake up bright and early today, head out by 7 a.m. and right now we're waiting for our boat and the captain. The boat's name is Baywatch and we have our guide. What's our guide? Jen. So it should be a good day. We're gonna do a lot of free diving, practice. I don't expect myself to get too deep. A little congested still. We have some interesting stops. Each one is interesting in its own way, so I'll explain more once we actually get there. But the first stop is Barracuda Lake.
Biwats na maliit! Diretso ka na dito! Biwats na maliit! Okay, and then as soon as you're there, you're gonna do it all with that next. Yeah. But $3,000.
First stop, Barracuda Lake, boat hopping to get to the lake. Oh, got it. That was pretty darn hard. Boat hopping, took all my stuff. One more.
Yeah, one last more.
Got it. I'm not gonna lie, a couple times I thought I was gonna fall in. What'd you think of Barracuda Lake?
So pretty.
Yeah, it's sad we didn't see the Barracuda. Hopefully we can see it. Like the other one is more than a meter long.
Oh, okay.
And then the second one is half a meter long.
Oh, there really is just two. Oh, okay. I thought you were like joking.
No, it's actually a real one.
Wow.
But the sighting is really rare, like 2 out of 10.
Still, the lake is absolutely gorgeous. And the water's not cold at all.
Yeah, like I said, it's not cold, it's not warm. Yeah, perfect temperature.
Hour or so boat ride, we made it to our next stop. Balusongango, sunken ship. We're gonna spend 30 minutes here checking this out, and then we're gonna go check out the coral reefs, which is gonna be the highlight of the trip today. So just a quick dunk in, just to check out the boat, and then we'll head to the next stop. Balusongango. What?
I was tired. What?
You're really sweet with your arms on that one.
Yeah.
Whew, this is a tiring sport holding your breath like that. It's such a cool spot though. Alright, we just got done snorkeling. Beautiful reef area right here. Surprisingly, like, it's really lush. Tons of sea life, tons of coral reefs. And we also got to see a shipwreckage that was like pretty close to the surface, so that was pretty cool. And now we're headed for a 30-minute boat ride to go have some lunch. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm actually pretty tired. I'm really tired. Just a little bit of the weather today as well. So we're pushing through, but it is tough. Lunch is served. We got fish, squid, pork, some fruit. Alejandro's eating mango there. A whole bunch of rice. They love their rice here. And what is that? Is that one there?
No. Vegetables.
Some more veggies. We're on an island for lunch. It's really pretty here. There's a bunch of palm trees. Give us some shade. It feels like a park, really. I'm exhausted already, and we have 2 more stops, right?
No, I think this one.
Oh, okay. One more stop, which I'm fine with, because I'm actually pretty darn tired. We're gonna have some lunch here, hang out, before we hit up our next spot.
It's been a long time since Alejandro and I have free dived so much. It was good practice because nothing was that deep. We both felt confident enough to dive and push our breath holds just to see how much better we can get with each dive. But dang, we didn't know it was going to be so exhausting. We relaxed way longer than we both thought on the island where we had lunch. There's options to snorkel and a viewpoint on the back of the island, but needless to say, we didn't do either.
Alright, Alejandro and I had a nice nap underneath this tree after lunch. A lot of people went snorkeling around here just to check it out, but we snorkeled a bunch, so we just relaxed and actually fell asleep for a little bit. Did you? Yeah, that was really peaceful. Nice and quiet too, not too noisy. But we got one more stop on the boat before it's time to head back to the main area of Coron. So we're gonna hop on the boat and head out.
The Shipwreck and Reef Tour day trip was chill. Even though Alejandro and I weren't feeling 100%, we still had a good time. I think the pace of the tour was perfect. The highlights were for sure Barracuda Lake and the shipwrecks. Overall, this is a good tour to start to practice your duck dives and breath holds. The water is pretty calm and things aren't super deep. It's a solid day trip. My only recommendation is leave as early as you can. Each spot is popular, and if you get to each location at the same time as the other tours, you'll be dodging bodies as you resurface. It's time to say goodbye to Coron to start one of our most anticipated trips in the Philippines, our 4-day, 3-night tour from Coron to El Nido. So subscribe and turn notifications on to get updates on when that video gets released. You won't want to miss it.